What's good, YouTube? This is your girl Shayma B, and I'm back with another video. Right now, I am washing Emmanuel's bottles so that I can start cooking dinner.
I don't think I can see it very well. Huh? No, it's down there because it's not facing to Emmanuel.
So as you guys can see, if y'all did see what she just showed you, Emmanuel is in the room sleeping.
I put him to sleep.
Yes, she did. She's such a good big sister.
I put my brother to sleep.
I forgot how much of a hassle it was to clean off. It's 5 years since the last time I had to clean a bottle. Alrighty, I'm back, and right now I have my dishwater. So this is for the little dishes I do have right now, as well as the dishes that I am going to have once I start prepping dinner and cooking. I don't do this every day, so I won't lie and say I do, but most of the time I try to, so I don't have so much to clean up afterwards. I just got super exhausted out of nowhere. So now that the remaining of the little dishes is done, I have my chicken breast. I have a pan right here that I melted some butter in a little water and do this. Do this. Get my little form. Put this in the oven. Also, I have my oven on 400s. It's been preheating for the past 10 minutes or so. I have two pots have water on it. Water in it. So I'm going to turn this on, both of them. I let these start boiling. Like I said, I'm going to cook asparagus. Okay, so everything is on except for the asparagus. The water is on for the corn and for the red beans and rice. Alright, so just one sec. Okay. So I got this on, so I'm gonna get back to you guys once it's time for me to put the rice and the corn on. Okay, so the water is boiling. I'm trying to put the corn in. And red beans and rice.
I made a manual smile.
Go back over there. Okay, so I gotta add some more water to that because the water started to boil out. And now I am gonna just let that cook. So yeah, and got everything on except for my asparagus, which is gonna go in this pan right here. It's really hot due to the stove on. So I'm gonna let that cook. I can't go in the front room right now because I have the movie playing. So just get. Alrighty, so I am back in the front room. I paused the movie so that the sound won't be playing, so that I didn't get copyrighted, because I don't need that. And we got Emmanuel here making all that noise. Say hi. Hi. I'm just gonna sit here, chill in the front while the food is cooking. Probably the next time you guys are gonna see me in the kitchen on video is once the food is done. Alrighty, so yeah, I had to stop the video and start it back over, dealing with attitude from my daughter. So yeah. But yeah, so I am having a bad edge problem. My edges is falling out since I had Emmanuel. So y'all comment down below if y'all know of any good products that actually works for your edges. Any natural products at that. Definitely can use it. But yeah, so everything is on like I said besides the asparagus. I'm gonna let that stuff cook for a minute. I paused movie so that I can come in here and talk to you guys. But I need to start back playing his movie before he get fussy. So I'll get back to you guys once it's either time for me to check the food or the food is done and it's time to make the plates. Ready? So I'm back. I have my skillet right here. It got some butter in it. And what I'm going to do is put my asparagus in here. So I have my asparagus and just put it in a skillet with butter in it. And then I'm going to put the top on and let it cook. Awesome. Rice is done. Corn is done. Chicken is almost done. So yeah. Oh, that light is terrible. Okay, so yes, everything is slowly but for surely getting finished. And Imani had something she needed to say. I don't know if she still do. You have something to say?
I'm going to sleep.
Right. Let's go ahead and zoom in. He's just sleeping so peacefully.
He's so cute.
We're going to be quiet because we don't want to wake him up.
Let's go start crying.
So I'll get back to you guys once this once the asparagus is halfway done, because then I'm going to season it and stuff, and then I'll do everything with y'all. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Ready, I'm back, and I know y'all can hear these asparagus cooking. So I'll put some seasoning, black pepper, table blend. It's just like different type of seasonings blended together. It's really good. And garlic powder. Okay, let this cook. So, get rid of this real quick. Okay. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see that. Oh, this is hot. Really hot. That is some garbage. So I don't know if y'all can see how the chicken looks. It's tender like I want it. Let's see if I can. So that's it. And these are done too. So give me a second. Let me set you guys up somewhere else and start making these plates. Alrighty, so I'm back and let's get to making these plates. So corn. I also put butter on the corn. Rice. And then the chicken. Chicken, I'll do a close up once I'm done. And I'm gonna cut my chicken in half because if y'all watch my videos, then y'all know E-Money's not gonna eat a full piece. Oh crap. That chicken's so tender, it's cutting with no effort needed. Alrighty. So the plates is made. Here is a close-up of the food. E-Money's ready. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the next day. I didn't do an ending to the video because after we got done eating, everybody wound up going to bed and we went to sleep early. So we're gonna do it now. Make sure you like
And subscribe.
comment down below any videos you might want to see from me. Hit that post notification bell so you're notified anytime I drop another banger, as well as share this video, share any of my videos that you may like. Tell your friends, your family, co-workers, teachers to subscribe to my page. I have plenty more to come, and I will see you in the next video.